if you're any color, any creed, or anyone.
Yeah.
For him, we are all equal.
We're all made by him.
Yeah.
We're all made by. That's what people often forget.
Yeah.
Allah made everybody. So who are we to say you are right and you are wrong, and I'm more bit
Superior.
higher than more absolutely superior to who are we to kind of judge
that?
Who
we
are
are
we to
nobody.
judge?
We are nobody.
I think it's just people generally in society get affiliations through political views or religious sects, and just always this divide and rule.
Yes.
I think the people that come forward and actually wish other well, wishing each other well, and Azadi Mubarak, like
Emerald did.
I think that shows you get above that.
Well, that
Above everything, and just no division between
absolutely,
anybody.
and that is the message.
That's our platform.
If I can
We're all
say,
on one platform.
of Sufism.
That is the message of
Isn't
Sufism,
it?
being
Isn't it,
tolerant.
We don't see,
Yeah.
any kind of
Sex
segregation or, everyone's welcome.
Yeah.
And, everyone's the same. As you've said, we're all equal
We are all
in the eyes
in
of
God
the
lives in
boat.
everyone's
We
heart.
are all in the boat of Noah.
Yes.
I can
All
put
in
it
the
in
boat
that.
Yeah,
of Noah.
yeah.
We are
I don't
all
think
in the
so.
boat
Yeah.
of Noah, because when he basically was basically हजरत नूह जब इकट्ठा कर रहे थे, उन्होंने ये नहीं देखा था कि तू कौन सा तू उड़ता है या चलता है, जानवर जब कर रहे थे.
Yeah.
He just said all on board, one
All
of
on-
each,
yeah.
all on
A
board,
pair of each, isn't it? Oh,
pair
yeah,
of
yeah.
each.
Yeah.
So we are all on the same boat, and उसके ऊपर why do we, यानी कि Sufism does not teach us that.
No.
Sufism, mysticism, esoteric knowledge teaches us tolerance and equality, and the other thing is wherever there is happiness, you go and congratulate. दुश्मन को भी congratulate कर देते हैं.
Yes.
There is nothing wrong in that.
Yeah, nothing wrong in that.
Nothing wrong in that, because that is a gesture which Almighty likes. Forgiving, forgetting.
Yes.
But yeah, tolerance is not there in the society.
It's not there anymore.